Because sometimes life just gets real crazy, and it seems like we all get a little jaded, so maybe it's time to pack a bag.
So, welcome to Del Monte's Pepper Tree Farms, where everything we do might or might not be legal, but it doesn't matter because we're on personal property. We do whatever we want right here because this is unrestricted. There are no restrictions.
It's just Del Mazo shit, Woohoo! Hey guys. So I'm about to go to Austin for a few weeks, but it's springtime now and everything is coming into bloom, and by the time I come back, my bees should be ready at any time. So I need to make sure before I leave that I am ready. So the last thing I have to do is build the hive stands for my boxes. You don't want them sitting on the ground. I'm gonna whip those boxes out real fast, those stands. That's not good. Be right back. And we're back. The blade on the chop saw was too dull and just decided that it wasn't gonna work anymore. This is my mom's tool. I'm getting used to it. I don't really know. I didn't know that was a thing. I also didn't know how old the blade was. That cut is so much nicer. Ah! Okay, let's get back to work. Okay, so the last thing that I'm doing might seem a little weird because obviously the easiest way to finish out these stands would be to just continue using wood. However, we have a really big ant problem here. Fire ants have moved up from the south and taken over. There are ant mounds everywhere. I've been waiting for a couple dry days to go kill them. I needed an anti-ant design. So I used PVC on these instead of wood. The reason I use this is because I need a material that can be soaked in a liquid. We're really big coffee drinkers around here. We love Cafe Bustelo and we like reducing our waste. So in the spirit of that, my intention is to take cans, put the PVC pipes in each can. I've seen people use water and oil. I haven't really decided which one I'm going to use yet. I'm starting with 2 hives, so I might just try one in each. The cans will be filled with oil or water, and that way the ants can't get to the legs, they can't get into the hive. This is just the bottom board of one hive, but it will just sit on top. Yeah. This is the idea.
So
So I just used these. There's only one on each right now. It seems pretty stable, but I might just throw another one on each leg. The bee boxes, the hives, when they're actually full, each box can weigh between 45 and 60 pounds. And there's potentially up to 3 boxes on there. So I'll probably add another pipe strap to each leg. I just need to run to the hardware store to get that. Final hive box and stand in the fields. What do you guys watch the videos for? Are you looking for inspiration? Or are you just following along? Do you want to know more how to do things? Do you just want to laugh at me as I don't know how to do things? Whatever it is, thanks for watching.